Hey everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make a luxurious vanilla rum and raisin ice cream. Over 100 grams of raisins, I'm pouring 100 milliliters of spiced rum. Use the best rum you have. If you don't want to use alcohol in your ice cream, use a teaspoon of rum extract and 100 milliliters of milk to hydrate the raisins. However, the taste and aroma won't be the same. The base for this ice cream is a creme anglaise, and that starts with 3 yolks and 50 grams of xylitol. I'm mixing them and then I'm adding 20 grams of honey. Mix that very well until the color lightens. Set the bowl aside for now. In my double bottom pot I have 250 milliliters of full fat milk, and to that I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Stir constantly, and when bubbles break the surface, remove the pot from the heat and let's temper the yolks. Pour the hot milk in a thin thread while you whisk constantly. After you add half of the milk like this, it's safe to add the remaining half all at once. The entire mixture returns to the pot. Put the pot on a small to medium flame and stir constantly. As soon as the mixture coats the back of the spatula and reaches 82 degrees Celsius, the custard is cooked. Remove it from the heat immediately. Pour the hot custard through a strainer, cover it with plastic wrap and let it cool down to room temperature. Then, put it in the fridge for 6 hours. After the time has passed, whip 250 milliliters of very cold whipping cream to a soft peak. To avoid overwhipping, it's best if you do this by hand. Peel away the plastic from the surface of the creme anglaise, give it a quick stir, and then add the rum-soaked raisins. Mix very well and then add a third of the whipped cream. Mix that in with your spatula and then pour this mixture over the remaining whipped cream. I like to start with the whisk here and finish with the spatula. Once you reach this beautiful creamy consistency, it's time to pour the mixture into your ice cream maker. After 20 minutes in the ice cream machine, your ice cream will have the perfect soft serve consistency. In the meantime, you can put a glass casserole in the freezer to prepare it for the ice cream. This is the texture your ice cream should have when you put it in the casserole. I find it's absolutely beautiful. And even though you could enjoy it right away, I find that after 8 hours in the freezer, both the texture and the flavors reach their full potential. This is a silky smooth, creamy, rich, indeed luxurious ice cream. So do take your time to enjoy it. You deserve it, it deserves it. Until next time, Dessertophiles.